If your business feels invisible online and your foot traffic is less than fantastic, you're in need of a local SEO makeover. Local SEO isn't just another buzzword. It's your ticket to getting noticed in your community. Imagine a potential customer searching for best coffee near me. If your cafe pops up first, that's local SEO at work. But how does it benefit your business? First off, it puts you on the map, literally. Services like Google Maps become your best friend, guiding customers straight to your door. Second, it's cost-effective. Unlike broad-range SEO, local SEO targets your immediate geographic area, reducing competition and focusing your resources where they count the most. And here's where Authority Solutions comes into play. We specialize in fine-tuning your online presence, so when locals are searching, they find you first, not your competitor. Our tailored strategies boost your rank, making you the community's go-to spot. Ready to increase visibility and drive more local traffic to your business? Authority Solutions is your partner in navigating the world of local SEO. Now don't forget, if this video was helpful, smash that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications. Stay ahead of the competition with more tips and tricks from our upcoming videos.